Hello, and welcome to this video where we'll be giving you an overview of our partner panel. We'll start by logging with Add Email ID and Password. Now, let's click on the Submit button. We've successfully logged in, and now you can view your account details, which include your profile, wallet, bank details, and your reward points. In this segment, we'll discuss why we use the partner panel and its purpose. Our partner panel serves as a tool in the taxi flow, where a partner, in the context of taxi services, refers to an individual or entity that collaborates with the service provider to gain mutual benefits. Our use case involves partners playing a role in enhancing the efficiency and reach of the taxi business. Partnerships can take various forms, such as collaborating with drivers. For instance, some drivers may not own a vehicle, but through our partner panel, they can access vehicles provided by our partners. In short, this is a platform where partners with vehicle resources but lacking in technology for the taxi business can find the tools they need. Such partnerships are designed to create a symbiotic relationship between the taxi services and the drivers, contributing to the success of the overall transportation ecosystem. That is the use case and the reason why we utilize the partner panel. We explore the Our Partner panel. We'll take a look at the driver section. If you wish to add a driver, it's quite straightforward. Let's go through the process of adding a driver. Here is where you can enter the driver's details. Start with add the first name. Then include the last name, followed by adding the email address. After that, set the password for the account. Once all the details are entered, save them. Subsequently, you'll be able to view your driver's details. Remember, when adding a driver, it's essential to assign them a vehicle. However, before you can assign a vehicle, you must have a vehicle listed in your partner panel. So, let's proceed to manage vehicles. Here, we can view all the vehicles we have, such as Creta, Verna, and Aura. We need to get these vehicles approved by our administrator. Our administrator verifies the vehicle, approves it, and then assigns the service type. We await the admin's approval for the vehicle. Once approved, you'll see the service type is listed as sedan, and the vehicle is ready to be assigned to a driver. Now, you can assign the vehicle to your driver. Heading over to the driver section, we then assign the vehicle. Here, you select the service type, and then you'll notice your vehicle appears on the list. Now, simply click the Submit button to finalize the vehicle assignment to your driver. If you wish to add another vehicle, you can proceed to the next step, Add Vehicle. Here, you have the option to add new vehicles. For the moment, we won't be adding any additional vehicles. I hope this explanation helps you understand how to assign vehicles to drivers. We start by setting a driver and adding them to the system. Following this, you can add a vehicle. We then wait for admin approval. Once approved, the vehicle can be assigned to the driver, and the driver will need admin approval. With that complete, the driver is then able to accept trips once the admin approves them. Moving on to the next step, we have the running requests. In this section, you can view various details such as the trip ID, customer information, driver details, and the service type, including the creation time of the trip. You're also able to see the time status, pricing, payment, and the payment status. All the information regarding your trip and the driver status is available here. You can hold all the details or view your trip details by clicking on the particular trip section to reveal details like the customer's name, contact number, and their rating, as well as view the driver details, driver's name, and driver's number, along with their rating. Furthermore, you can also see the pickup location and the destination. In this section, you can view the pricing details, service type, and on the map, you can see both your destination and pickup locations. Following that, we move forward to the completed trips. Here, you can view all your completed trips. By selecting a particular trip, you can review all its details, such as customer and driver information, pickup and destination addresses, pricing, and the type of service provided. This is similar to the running trip information, but in addition, we provide an invoice section for completed trips. In the invoice section, you can assign the appropriate charges, including ride charges, tax charges, and even access customer payment details and driver earnings. Moreover, you have the capability to check trip status updates from creation to completion. Additionally, there's an option to view chats related to the trip. Furthermore, you have the option to download trip details as a PDF if you need a record of any completed request. Export functionalities are also available on this page, allowing you to export all details of completed requests. If you need to export smaller batches, like 5 records per page or 20 records per page, that functionality is available too. You can also able to view the export history too. As you navigate the interface, you will find a search feature that enables you to look up information using usernames, driver names, or service types. If you're interested in cash payment details, you can search for those as well. We can enhance the functionality by incorporating a date filter for filtering purposes. The page also provides comprehensive trip details, such as trips canceled by users or drivers, and a tally of all completed trips. For future requests, we have a designated page, which is currently not displaying any scheduled requests. However, once a driver accepts a scheduled request, all the pertinent details will be visible in that section. Finally, we have the earning page, which is an essential part of our partner panel. Partners can see an overview of completed trips and their associated earnings there. Here, we can provide all the details of earnings, including those for a specific driver. You'll be able to view all the data, such as the total number of trips and the total amount earned. You can also see how many trips were paid for by card, by cash, as well as by wallet. Additionally, you can view the total earnings from your trips and any outstanding payments. By accessing a particular driver's details, you can view their status, including their total earnings, the total minutes they've been online, the number of trips they've received, accepted, completed, as well as those they've rejected or canceled. Furthermore, we provide a summary of trip earnings and payment transactions. This gives you an overview of our partner panel. We hope you understand why we have implemented this partner panel, its uses, and how you can harness its full potential. This panel allows you to view past earnings, manage your vehicles, and assign vehicles to drivers. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide to fully utilizing our partner panel. We appreciate your attention and hope this tutorial has been helpful.